All right, this is the Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to show you how to adjust the side view mirrors. Okay, I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I want to adjust the side view mirrors right there and right there. In order to do that, all right, I'm going to look down to the middle console and I see this right here, okay? This is the left and right. Do you see that? It says an L and an R, okay? So, in order to adjust it, I'm going to adjust the driver's side, which is L for left. I'm going to turn it that way. And once it's on L, I can move this and it adjusts the side view mirror. Do you see that? It's adjusting right there. All right, and then to do the passenger side, I just go all the way to R for right, and you can see it's adjusting the right-hand side. And now to put it in the neutral to where it can't get bumped out of place, just put it in back into the center, just like that, and you can't move it around. That's how you adjust the side view mirrors on the Jeep Wrangler. Thanks a lot for watching.